Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel, and to this video, I will teach you how to create new folder in Yahoo Mail using computer. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, here in your computer, okay, you'll have to do is go to Google Chrome. Here in Google Chrome on search bar, okay, search the www.yahoo.com and enter. Once you here in Yahoo homepage, okay, my account is already logged in. So if your account is already logged in, you'll have to do is go to mail on the upper right side on your screen. You can see the mail. You'll have to do is click this. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create new folder in Yahoo Mail using computer. And okay guys, you'll have to do is go to left side on your screen, okay, and scroll down to see the folder. To create the new folder, okay, you can see here the new folder button, and okay, you'll have to do is click this, and now you can create the name of this new folder. So for my example, I named the folder into Chad. Once you create the name, so you'll have to do is click the submit button on the right side of this created or new name of this folder. Okay, click the submit button. And okay guys, here you can see the folder or new folder in your Yahoo Mail. And that's it guys, we have successfully created the new folder in Yahoo Mail using this computer. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.